Perfect. Ooh. Not bad, huh?
Not bad.
And the old tape to fix like no cable ties.
Dude,
look at
it through the camera.
Yeah.
It looks man.
Real life. Looks amazing from far. Get close. Oh.
You know we call that in America? 100 miles an hour tape.
You can't even see it.
Is that your signature?
Fix the paint.
Signed by Jimmy Oates.
For sale.
Oh, we're back for the final day of Matsuri, the Sunday. It's a little bit wet and damp. Car's good to go. Got a few tyres left. So we'll see what we can make happen on the final day.
Oh, what a good boy.
Alright, car's good to go. Change some tyres. Grant and I are going to go down to school course because we haven't been there. Cut some laps. Wearing the fresh tyres. It's nice and cold, so tyres should last absolutely forever. School course is one of my favourite for doing the close transitions and nice dive and easiest course to get on door. It looks like they've got some pretty cool cool noodle things hanging down if they're still there. People smacking them all for the last couple of days, but yeah, gonna head down there now and bang some noodles. It's a nice mullet you got there for a non-Australian.
I know, I fit right in last time I was there. These are my people. Ready to get some laps?
Let's do it.
Let's go, baby.
So school course wasn't the same, it was too busy. Different layout, so it wasn't as nice to tandem. We're now back on Manami. It looks heaps dry, it's rained and people have been driving all day, so we're going to have a sus.
Surprise! It's Rocky!
Rocky! We'll have a sus. Yeah, you just can't really get the jump line. You can't really get speed to actually make it.
Yeah, and it's like too narrow now that the curbstone's all ground down.
Yeah.
It's very sketchy.
Yeah.
Kind of cool though, but...
Cool to drive, but you can't really do it properly.
Yeah, you can't do anything.
recording.
Good footage. Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah, so just went out of Manami, realised that the GoPro fell off at Driscoll. We did like a couple of laps and it was horrible at Manami. Just can't get the speed, so it just ruins it. Car's definitely slowing down on power as well. So we'll have to get it fixed up next time. Yes, I'm stoked we found the camera. Now it's time to get some fuel and go back to the tracks that are much more fun, I reckon.
What is?
Alright, bit of a lunch break. Time for ramen, I reckon.
Ooh, green drink. That's what I'm talking about.
Always cool seeing clean cars at Matsuri. I saw this one I was smashing on Higashi yesterday.
Do you like it? Nice ice cream.
God dang.
It's beautiful. Perfect fitment. Gangster wide body. Back to Nishi, our favourite. Oh, somebody caved that ass. That Daigo, yeah, it is. Play Daigo was ruining bang. Busy. Mate,
I drove by you.
You know, your ass is hanging up, you know?
That's okay. That was amazing.
Those some good ones.
Oh, I was just telling Adam, how sick is it that all of us can go drive together and not crash into each other?
Yeah.
It's insane.
I hit you a little bit on that last one, but you back up a little bit?
I backed off because that car was in the the grass.
I'm doing a raw 1 hour long like GoPro thing of all the trains. So I'm gonna get 3 GoPro set up, one facing back, forward, and side.
Just try to keep my speed forward. I didn't want to clean my ass up.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, boy.
How were you behind me just then?
I don't know.
A little bump.
I don't know how I got out of that one.
I don't know how I did either.
Because I was like the guy behind me because we were so banged. I was like, okay, we're gonna hit, and then the guy's gonna clean me up, and then I don't know. You just missed whoever was in front of you.
Because Adam goes to get away from hitting those guys. Collette hits him. Collette comes this way. I hit her.
And I
we're just like,
I just full lock and I just shot straight because I knew the guy behind me was like even less room to go anywhere.
That was so good. That's what I live for. That's what I mean. Granny, I'm so sorry. You told me to go my car.
I didn't step out. You passed me and you pushed me into the dirt. What do you mean you're sorry? You knew what you were doing. No one was changing. We change at the straight. We don't change going up the hill.
Caught on camera.
End of day north, wouldn't be right with a little bit of carnage. Just gave Grant a little schmack. I don't know where the damage is on mine. I think that must just be wheel or something. There's nothing. Good session, though.
Great session. I'm driving like not that great right now, but I think I put some decent.
You've been killing it all day.
Look at my quarter panel now, Jason.
God dang, my car's been though somehow. Where did it hit? Must just be all wheel.
Yeah, it's probably wheel.
Yeah. God dang it.
Oh yeah, all week
Dude, that
long.
was unreal. Holy.
Yeah, bro. I'll fix her up. Maybe get back out. I don't know. Pack up time, mate. How'd you go?
It's just good for like just a thrown together drift car in 9 days of constant drifting.
Not bad. This is your first time?
Yeah.
Yeah. With all those fresh tarmac and this
good.
beautiful street car.
It was a very nice car. I mean, it's still a nice car, technically.
Yeah.
It survived some hits.
I reckon you gain some skills, learn some
Yeah, I
things.
think so. Yeah, just
I think you can just refine things because it's non-stop. You like learn a little bit and then you pick it up straight away the next day.
And there's enough laps where you can just be like, okay, I'll focus just on this, you know, because usually at most years events you don't have enough time to just get more runs. Like all you're focused on is getting on track. Where like here you're like, I'm on track. Yeah, you focus on driving, you know. So
yeah, it's really good, especially when you have good guys like this. That can
driving with you, like the whole team, we'll call it team, is so good, bro. Like you, Adam, Grant, Collette, like they're so good.
Notice you left out Randy and Sam at this.
They're great. Sam is good. He's a little sporadic with his driving.
Yeah.
So
he's consistently inconsistent.
He
doesn't do anything too stupid. It's just
he surprises me a little bit here and there. But you guys are like very the same line every time. It's so easy. It's just like playing, you know, like when you play in a video game and it has the ghost character?
Yeah, the ghost,
You're like, yeah, I just have the ghost character as you guys. So.
100%. Good time.
It was really good times. So, do this, what, Australia?
That's it. Get that visa sorted.
What a nightmare, dude. I'm still, whatever.
No.
I'll see you guys.
If you don't get over for one, we've got the world tour.
Yeah, that's true.
So, yeah.
What are you gonna drive?
World tour?
Yeah.
The Oz one?
Yeah.
I'll have the wagon back.
Oh,
But
get me a you better get me a good car, Jason.
good driver.
It was a pleasure.
See you next time, huh?
See you next time.
Oh, not a bad way to end the trip and end the day. A couple of backies, a couple of tandies with the boys. In one piece,
It's good to go. The back of this thing is softer than peanut butter.
Yeah.
It just like moves
They
with the
literally are
wind.
just tin cans.
It moves with the wind. It's not a big deal.
Oh.
So, that was
trip, bro.
great driving, man. It was a pleasure to drive with you finally. Awesome.
Now for the beers that we didn't have last night.
Tonight.
Nice tonight.
Sugoi. Come to this. Putting that in.
Good way to end the trip.
Yeah, absolutely. I wish I was filming that. That was sick.
You weren't filming.
On the front one? Maybe.
Negative. I was like, let's do the whole thing.
I had one there and I popped it. I reckon we could probably link it all the way up the hill too.
Yeah. It's just like.
It'd be kind of ignorant.
Just
That was sick.
I'll definitely destroy the river a little bit on that. Like, it's like the edge of the gutter.
Shivvy right.
Shivvy right. Good way to end the trip. Cars in one piece, mate.
Somehow.
Not bad.
I know, not
How many
bad.
trips has this done so far?
6 or 7.
Not bad.
Yeah, she's up there.
Still got a front bar.
That's not decent.
Ready? Pack her up, boys. Let's watch it. We'll see you next Japan trip.
Pull me closer.